Hello students, how are you all? Good? Okay beta, today we will do a poem named Trees written by Shirley Boyer. We all know a lot of trees, their names, and even we have heard a lot of trees even if we have not seen them. So we all know that what actually trees does, right? So in this poem also we will know that actually what trees does. The poet wants to make us realize the importance of trees in our life. So let's start. Trees are for birds, trees are for children. Means trees are homes of birds. Birds, where they make their homes, they make their nest on trees, right? So trees are especially important for birds. Then trees are for children also. How? Let's see. Trees are to make tree houses in, trees are to swing swings on, trees are for the wind to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Basically trees are for children means children use trees to play around. They make tree houses on trees, they tie swings on them and swing on, and they also make play hide and seek and hide behind trees. So that's how trees basically useful for children. Also when the wind it blows through the trees and the trees shake, they move. ठीक है बेटा, तो ट्रीज क्या है? बर्ड्स के लिए हैं जो कि अपने घर ट्रीज के ऊपर बनाती हैं. बच्चे ट्रीज के अराउंड खेलते हैं, झूले बांधते हैं, हाइड एंड सीक खेलते हैं, ट्री हाउसेस बनाते हैं जो कि ट्री के ऊपर बनते हैं. तो इस तरह से ट्रीज चिल्ड्रन के लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. और जब भी हवा चलती है वो ट्रीज के अंदर से जाती है. दैट्स वाई जो ट्रीज हैं वो हिलने लगते हैं. ट्रीज आर टू हैव टी पार्टीज अंडर. मीन्स whenever the ladies they want to meet their friends, they want to have parties with them, they can have those tea parties under the trees, right? We all love to sit under the trees. So same way जो ladies हैं वो अपने friends के साथ tea parties करती हैं trees के अंदर. Trees are for kites to get caught in. We all love to play kites, right? So when the kites got cut, so where they go? They fly a long distance and they got stuck on trees. काइट्स किस पे अटक जाती हैं? ट्रीज पे. ट्रीज आर टू मेक कूल शेड इन विंटर, इन समर ट्रीज आर टू मेक नो शेड इन विंटर. इन समर वी नो दैट देर इज अ हॉट वेदर एंड वी जस्ट हेट टू गो आउटसाइड. And even if we go outside, where would we like to sit? Under some shade, and that shade is provided by trees. तो इतने गर्म मौसम में जो ट्रीज हैं वो छाया देते हैं. बट इन दिस समर और इन द मंथ ऑफ विंटर the trees have no leaves, and that's why they can't provide much shade to us. Even if they have shade, even if they have leaves, they don't grow much in the season of winter, right? So basically winter season में trees हमें ज़्यादा shade नहीं देते, and that's a good thing because in this season of winter we like sun rays, है ना? So वो हमारे लिए अच्छी होती हैं. Trees are for apples to grow and pears. Pears क्या होते हैं? नाशपाती. That's a juicy fruit. So basically trees are also provide us fruits. They provide us food. Several type of fruits grow on trees like apples, pears, mangoes, other thing. Trees are to chop down and call timber. So trees also provide us wood which is used to make furniture. Trees make mothers say what a lovely picture to paint. So our mothers, whenever they want to make a painting and they look at trees, so they make their eyes pleasant and they love the scene because it gives them a beautiful view to paint. Mothers को अच्छा लगता है वो अच्छी scenery paint करने के लिए because trees makes the scenery beautiful. Trees make fathers say what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. Rake is basically a tool which is used by gardener. It has a long handle and sharp teeth at the end, and it is used to कलेक्ट लीव्स. और बहुत सारे जब लीव्स गिर जाते हैं नीचे तो उन्हें इकट्ठा करने के लिए, राइट? सो जो ट्रीज होते हैं बेसिकली उनसे फादर्स कंप्लेन करते हैं बिकॉज इन द सीजन ऑफ ऑटम वी ऑल नो दैट लीव्स फॉल डाउन अ लॉट एंड फादर्स देन दे हैव टू क्लीन दैट एरिया विद द रेक. दैट्स वाई फादर कंप्लेन. ठीक है, फादर्स को वो सफाई करनी पड़ती है जब बहुत सारे पत्ते गिर जाते हैं नीचे, इसलिए वो कंप्लेन करते हैं. सो दैट्स हाउ वी सी दैट the poet explains us the importance of trees, what they give us like food, furniture, they help children, they make children play around, and also they are homes of birds. So trees play a very important role in our life, and if there are no trees, just imagine what life would be, right? So we should always take care of our environment, of our nature. That's all for today. Thank you beta.